In this video, I will show you that how you can create Coinbase wallet using the cell phone application. I will also show you that how you can create a backup for your Coinbase wallet in very simple steps. If you are new on this channel and not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel for more amazing videos. So let's come on the mobile application. So I have opened Play Store application on my cell phone, and here you have to search Coinbase wallet. Whether you are using iPhone or Android, you have to search the same and find this application Coinbase wallet, NFTs and crypto. Install this application. So Coinbase wallet application has been installed on my cell phone. Open this, and here you have to create a new wallet. If you have already a wallet, just click on I already have wallet and import your wallet. But currently we don't have any wallet on Coinbase wallet. Create a new wallet. Just creating your wallet. So here Coinbase wallet provide you facility to set your username instead of the difficult address, just like it is showing on the top of the screen. Currently I don't want to set any username, so I will select maybe later. Click on allow notification. So by default it is a dark theme, which I don't like. If you want to set this theme, just click on the setting, and here you have to come on the display and select the auto, or you can select the light mode, whatever you want. You can also change the balances and other settings. Now again come on the assets. So this is the dashboard of the Coinbase wallet. After creating any wallet, you must take backup before doing any transaction on this wallet. Come on the setting, and here you have to come on the security, and here the wallet one which says not backed up. Click on this, security verification, thumb verification I am adding here. Now it says recovery phrase or private key request. We have detected a request to view your wallet recovery phrase or private key. Now here you can see it says backup your wallet. Now here are two options. You can backup with Google Drive, which will be encrypted of course, and also you can backup manually. Choice is yours. I will backup manually. Now here you have to save the 12 words on your side. Click on the I icon, and here you will get the words, just like I got the all words. Now you have to save these words on your notepad and must store these keys on multiple places. After note down these keys, just click on the backup manually. Also you can backup with Google Drive, but I will backup manually, and here you have to click on the yes. It means that you have saved all these 12 words on your side. If you forget any word, you cannot recover your wallet in any case. Coinbase will not be responsible for any your loss. So everything is confirmed. Click on complete backup, and here we go. Your backup has been successfully done. If you come on the setting and security, now your wallet does not give any warning that your wallet is not backed up. Now you can easily receive and send your crypto using the Coinbase wallet. And here you can see there are many features just like assets, transactions. Here you will find all your transactions. You can browse DApps just like Coinbase, Uniswap, OpenSea, and many applications you can use using the Coinbase wallet. You can also explore the multiple applications. You can buy NFT. Also, if you come on the setting, so there are multiple mode available, just like simple mode. If you open this, so this is a very simple mode. So if you want to come back on the original mode, press this icon, press the sun button, and turn off this. Alright, once again come on the setting. You can see the networks, security, you can add passcode, backup, face verification, fingerprint, display option, connect to Coinbase application, which I will show you in the next video, invite friends and help. So I hope you understand that how you can create Coinbase wallet. In the next video, I will show you that how you can transfer crypto from Coinbase application to other applications. See you in the next video.